Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Metinee. If you've been here before, welcome back. Sorry for not uploading in so long. I'm now back at work after being furloughed, which is great, but it also means I have no free time. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified whenever I next upload. Today I'm going to be unboxing and talking you through the women's exclusive New Balance 327 Undyed. The 327s were unveiled back in April and have proved popular since with a steady flow of colourways. These ones in particular really caught my eye. They're so clean and minimal, they're going to go with everything. These released on the 22nd of August. I bought my pair yesterday when they dropped on ASOS. The 70s runner look is classic, flattering on foot and really on trend. Onto the construction of the shoe, the canvas and suede have been left undyed, hence the name, meaning less water and energy have been used to craft the shoe, as well as reducing waste, making them a pretty sustainable sneaker. I really like the sustainable aspect because it's hard to find a sustainable shoe. I'm seeing a lot more of them popping up recently with the way the world and people's mindsets are changing. However, not all of them look as good as these. I've actually heard that undyed and untreated materials are quite hard to source, as factories wouldn't normally send their materials out in this way, which may be the reason why the undyed iteration is slightly pricier than usually very affordable 327 silhouette. Or it could just be that these have been a very hyped release. The undyed canvas base has given a really natural looking creamy beige finish, and the use of canvas means the shoe is breathable and lightweight for comfort. The suede overlays covering the toe, eye stays, heel, large N logo and tongue badge is in suede with a bluish hue. The suede is finished with a subtle embossed logo on the heel and again on the tongue. The white rubber midsole contains supportive EVA foam finished with a brown gum outsole with sporty retro tread in true 70s style. Finally, a fully cork sock liner furthers the shoe's sustainability and cushioning. They've come with this cardboard tag that says Undyed by New Balance. Undyed textiles, undyed suede, undyed cork, undyed rubber, no added colour. And on the other side it says, no added colour means less water, energy and waste, celebrating materials in their natural colour and highlighting the importance of creating a more sustainable future. These are really comfortable, but I find that they come a tad small and slightly narrow. So if you're between sizes or have wide feet, I would recommend going a half size up. I took my usual size, which is a 4.5, and I have quite wide feet, so I do find these quite snug. If you prefer to squeeze into smaller sizes though, the insoles are easily removable. These were a women's exclusive though, so I'm not sure whether the men's and unisex sizing fit the same. I have to say, I'm a little blown away by how good these look on foot. I was a little worried they wouldn't suit me because they're not my usual style, but I think they look sick. So overall, I think the New Balance 327 Undyed are a great purchase. These are now sold out pretty much everywhere, but I have seen them on Urban Outfitters in sizes 4 to 7, however it's a pre-order and won't be shipped till the 4th of September. They're also on a site called Boost, which I've never heard of, and they don't seem to be on StockX yet by the looks of it. Anyways, that's all from me for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and also feel free to check out my Instagram at Metinee Affleck and my blog www.metineeaffleck.co.uk if you want to. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.